Today I'm going to show you how to solve this surd equation. So let us solve. Now we are going to transpose this one to meet the 2. So we solve, we say root 3x minus 5, we take equals to 2. Here is plus, cross the equals to sign, the sign will change from plus to minus root what? X minus 1. X minus 1. So our next step, what we are going to do, we are going to apply both side by what? Root. You see both side by root. So we say root 3x minus 5, both side by root. You see bracket open, 2 minus root x minus 1, both side by root. So we continue this root, cancel this root. So we have what? We have 3x minus 5, bracket close, equals to, we are going to open this bracket how many times? 2 times. So let us open 2 times. We say 2 minus root x minus 1, open again the same bracket, 2 minus root x minus 1, bracket close. So we have what? 3x minus 5 equals to, we are going to take 2, then we take the whole of what? The bracket. We take 2, we take 2 minus root x minus 1, root x minus 1. Then we take minus root x minus 1 minus root x minus 1. Then we take the same bracket, 2 minus x root 1, bracket close. Now we solve, we move the bracket. Now we say 3x minus 5 equals to, plus times plus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4, plus times minus is minus, 2 times root x minus 1 is the same as 2 root x minus 1 root x minus 1. See, minus times plus is minus, root x minus 1 times 2, we have 2 root x minus 1, minus times minus is what? Plus. Root x minus 1 times root x minus 1 is the same as x minus 1. So continue, see 3x minus 5 equals to 4. Minus 2 minus 2, we are going to have minus 4, we take 1 root x minus 1 plus x minus 1. So we continue. Now let us put it in order. So we have 3x minus 5 equals to, we have 4, we take minus 1, we take plus x, we take minus 4 root x minus 1 minus 4 root x minus 1. So continue. See 3x minus 5 equals to, plus 4 minus 1, we are going to get plus 3 plus x minus 4 root x minus 1. So our next step, what you are going to do, let us transpose so that you can separate the value. So we have 3x, here is what? Plus x, cross the equals to sign, the sign will change from plus x to minus x. We take minus 5, here is plus 3, cross the equals to sign, the sign will change from plus 3 to minus 3 equals to minus 4 root x minus 1. So we continue. You see plus 3x minus x, we are going to have plus 2x. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2, whenever the sign are the same, take one sign and add the two number. 5 plus 2 now, we are going to have what? 8 equals to minus 4 root x minus 1. So continue. You see 2x minus 8 equals to minus 4 root x minus 1. What you are going to do here, we are going to divide both sides by 2, because 2 can enter into 4, 2 can enter into 8, and 2 can enter into himself. Divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So we have what? We have x minus 2 into himself 1 times into 8 is 4 times. 1 can enter into 4. How many? 4 times. 2 into himself 1 times into 4 is 2 times. 1 can enter into 2. How many? Say equals to 1 can enter into 2. How many? 2 times, meaning minus 1 can enter into 2 is what? 2 times 2 root x minus 1. So what you are going to do, we are going to apply both sides by root. You see both sides by root. Both sides by root, meaning you see x minus 4 root equals to minus 2 x minus 1 all root. So we are going to open this bracket. How many times? 2 times. You see x minus 4, because of these 2, you see x minus 4 equals to, now this 2 will affect this one, this 2 will affect the root. We say minus 2 raised to the power 2 times, bracket open, see x minus 1 bracket close. So this one cancel this one. So we take x, then we take the whole of this bracket. We take x, then we take x minus 4, x minus 4, then we take minus 4, we take the same bracket, x minus 4 equals to minus 2 raised to the power 2. Minus 2 raised to the power 2 is the same as what? Let me show you an example. We say minus 2 square. Minus 2 square, meaning you are going to multiply the 2 how many times? 2 times. You say minus 2 times minus 2. Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 2 is 4, meaning your answer is what? 4. Minus 2 raised to the power 2 is the same as what? 4 times, bracket open, this square cancel this square, we have what? X minus 1. So we continue. X times x, we are going to have what? X square. Plus times minus is minus. X times 4 is 4x. Minus times plus is minus. 4 times x is 4x. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 4. Let's say 4 times 4 is what? 16 equals to. Now remove what? The times. Say 4 bracket open x minus 1. So what you are going to do here, you see x square minus 4 x minus 4x, we are going to have minus 8x plus 16 equals to, plus times plus is plus. 4 times x is 4x, plus times minus is minus. 4 times 1 is 4. So So we continue, collect light term. So collect light term. Now let us collect light term. First take x square. Do we have any number that has square again? No. We take minus 8x. Here is plus 4x. Cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 4x to minus 4x. We say equals to minus 4. Here is plus 16. Cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 16 to minus 16. So we have x square. We have x square minus 8x minus 4x, meaning we are going to have minus 12x. Whenever the sign are the same, take one. Minus minus, take one minus. Then we add the number. Whenever the sign are the same, what you are going to do, you are going to take one sign and then what? Add the two numbers. That's why we take one. Minus minus, we take one. We add 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So that's why we have what? 12x equals to minus 4 minus 4 minus 16. Minus 4 minus 16, we are going to have minus 20. Whenever the sign are the same, take one sign and then what? Add the two numbers. So this one is a quadratic equation because it has a variable of what? 2. So a quadratic equation is supposed to equals to what? To 0. So we have x squared minus 12x. Here is minus, cause it equals to sign. The sign will change from minus to plus 20 equals to 0. So x squared times 20, we are going to have 20x squared. This one is what? The product. Product means multiplication. The sum now is minus 12. Minus 12x is what? The sum. Now in this case, we are going to watch for two factors. These two factors, if you multiply them, you can have 20. If you add a subtract, you can have 12. Now let us find the factors. Now I'm going to do it step by step so that you will understand. Okay, I'm not going to rush, although yes, I know the factors, but let us find it so that you can understand how comes I get the factors. So say let us find the factors of 20. The factors of 20, we have 1, we have 2. Let us test if 3 can enter into 20. No, it's a point. 4, yes, we have 4. We also have 5. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10. Also have 10. 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. Meaning and what? And 20. So we are going to watch in these factors which number, if we multiply this number, we can have 20. If we add or subtract, we can have what? 12. Now first of all, let us find first which number, if we add or subtract, we can have 12. Now let us find first, okay, the 20. If you multiply now, 4 times 5, 4 times 5, you are going to get how many? 4 times 5, you are going to get 20. 4 times 5. 4 times 5, you are going to get 20. If you add them, if you say 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9, so it's not give us 12, so forget about it. Now we say 2 times 10. We say 2 times 10. 2 times 10, we get what? 20. So which sign we are going to use? Which sign we are going to use so that we can get minus 12? Which sign? We can use minus and minus so that we get minus 12. Meaning we are going to say what? Minus 2x minus 10x as what? As our factors. As our factors. So we continue. So we continue. Say minus 2x minus 10x is what? Is our factors. Is our factors. What we are going to do? We are first going to take x square, this x. We take minus 2x minus 2x. We take minus 10x minus 10x. We take minus plus 20 equals to 0. Plus 20 equals to 0. So we continue. The next step, bracket it 2 by 2. So what is common here is x. Factorize x. You know that this is x square. X square divided by x, you are going to have what? X. Meaning if you multiply x times x, you are going to have x square. Here is minus, you also put your minus. X cancel x. What is remaining is 2. Here is minus, you also put your minus. What is common here is 10. Why? Because of 10 can enter into itself without no remainder. And then what? 10 can enter into 20 without no remainder. So it's 10. 10 cancel 10. What is remaining is x. If you multiply 10 times x, you are going to have 10x. We see minus times plus is minus. 10 can enter into 20. How many times? Is 2 times. Equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now what you are going to do, the brackets are the same. We'll take 1, then we'll take the number outside the bracket. So we take x minus 2, then we take the number outside the bracket, x minus 10. X minus 10 equals to 0. So we continue. We take this, equate it to 0. We say x minus 2 equals to 0, or we take this x minus 10 equals to 0. So let us find the value for x. We take x, we take equals to 0. We take x, we take equals to 0. Here is minus 2. Cos equals to sign. This has no change from minus 2 to plus 2. We see x equals to 0 plus 2 is what? 2. Now we see x equals to 0. There is minus 10. Cos equals to sign. This has no change from minus 10 to plus 10. So we have x equals to 10. So therefore, see x equals to 2 comma 10. So this is what your answer. I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Follow me on Facebook for more class. Thank you.